I have so much weight on right now. Got one. Oh, I just missed a... There's a bass out here. Like a 10-incher. Hunter's got his first fish. And it wasn't on a little worm.
They're chomping too. The top of their mouths are red.
Yeah. Little dude.
He was literally as big as my worm.
Yeah. And that's a dink. Another little dink. He's got a little bit bigger bass, still an absolute dink.
It's stuffed up in his pocket that's in there.
Yeah. Another one. Still got him. Little itty bitty bluegill. Dink. Oh. Well, somebody's got his biggest bass of the day. An absolute dink. Still fun. Don't know what I got here, but I got something. Right in the weeds. It's fighting good. Oh, it's a trout. Decent sized one too. Yeah, it's a trout. Biggest bass of the night so far. And yet again, what is this, Sackett?
It's a dink.
Another dink. Is that like 5 or 6?
Yeah.
Pretty sad it's their biggest. Alright, first fish, second fish. Jeez, I just got assaulted by a big trout. That's a decent trout. I'd say probably half pound. Maybe, probably 3/4 pound. We're hooked up. I think another trout. Yeah, it's a trout. Jeez. Another fat trout. Oh my god. These are some big trout in here. They're all at least half pound so far. Easy enough. It's not. Oh, that was a fish. Right there. Maybe not. No, it was weeds. Yeah. Gosh, more weeds. I'm swinging every time. Yeah, big school crappie. That's a big school crappie they're on too. There's one. Watch this. Got him. Oh, it's a bass. The sad thing is that's like the biggest one too.
Yeah. I swear I've already caught that thing.
Yeah, let me get the hook on. Dude, no hook marks. So I drop him on the ground. And he's good. No hook marks in him. Oh, I thought that was a fish. Don't know what that is. Got it. Anything over there?
No. You're all set.
Yeah. There's one. Oh, missed him. Yeah, we can. You want to see me catch them on a fly rod? You want to see me catch them on a fly rod? You want to catch them on a fly rod? We got the ultralight too. Those trout would fight so hard on that ultralight. That's a fish. No, it's not.
They're not spawning here, they're not spawning.
Nope. Mosquitoes are bugging me up there.
But I've actually, like, I've always came on here at the time of year that's supposed to spawn, but I've never seen it. Like, you can't see it.
Yeah. Well, the big ones could be on beds.
They might be farther out.
Yeah. You never know. No. I do. Big. It's a big trout.
While you were doing it.
Holy cow. Oh, I think it's a trout. Oh, that might be a big bass. That's a mondo trout. I snagged him though. I'm gonna get a weight on him. Where did the
Fatty.
Where in the world's that hook? Did I snag him from up? Oh.
No, you got him now.
Yeah, I did. Fletcher's got his first fish on my bait caster. Oh, lost it. Just average size.